In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change layer blend modes in Pixlr step by step so you can instantly control how layers interact, create more polished edits, and fine-tune the look of your images with just a few simple clicks. Blend modes are one of the easiest ways to make your design look more professional, whether you want to darken an image, brighten details, or add contrast and depth. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your Pixlr project and look over to the right side of the screen. This is where you'll find the Layers panel. If you're working with multiple images, text, or effects, this panel is where everything is organized, so it's important to know exactly where it is before you start editing. Once you've found your layers, look for the top layer you want to change. This is the layer that will be affected by the blend mode you choose. Now hover over that top layer and click the three dots icon, which usually appears as an options menu. This gives you access to extra settings for that layer. When you click it, you'll see more controls for editing and adjusting how that layer behaves in your design. From here, find the blend mode option and open the drop-down menu. This is where the real magic happens. Blend modes control how the selected layer mixes with the layers underneath it. If you choose multiply, the layer will darken the image and is often used for shadows, color overlays, or making bright areas disappear. If you choose screen, the layer will brighten the image and is great for light effects, glow styles, or making dark backgrounds lighter. If you choose overlay, Pixlr will boost contrast and help your image look more vivid and dynamic. These are some of the most useful blend modes, but Pixlr gives you several more options depending on the effect you want to create. After selecting your blend mode, don't forget to refine the result using the opacity slider right below it. This is a very important step because opacity lets you soften the effect and make it look more natural. If the blend mode looks too strong, simply lower the opacity until it blends nicely with the rest of the design. If you want a more dramatic result, keep the opacity higher. This small adjustment can make a huge difference in the final look. Take a moment to compare different blend modes and see how each one changes your project. The best way to learn is to experiment. Try switching between multiply, screen, and overlay, then move the opacity slider to see how the image responds. You'll quickly get a feel for which blend modes work best for photos, graphics, text, and overlays, and that's really all there is to it. Once you know where the layers panel is, how to open the options menu, and how to use the blend mode drop-down and opacity slider, you can create much more advanced looking edits in Pixlr without needing complicated tools. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple Pixlr tips and beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.